It's time for Unleashed. Apple's last biggest event of the year 2021 is official. Here is what to expect from this Apple Unleashed event. Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and the most rumored event of Apple is finally official. The next and hopefully the last Apple event of the year 2021 is on 18 October at 10 am specific time. I'm excited to see when Tim Cook and other Apple team members come on stage and announce the next Apple products. Let me share what Tim has cooked for us with this Apple Unleashed event. The all-new Mac lineup for sure. At this Apple Unleashed event, they will announce the new 14 and 16 inches of MacBook Pro models. According to renders by Ian, 14 inches MacBook Pro dimension will be the same as 13 inches MacBook Pro, and the display bezel will be smaller and will fit 14 inches screen size. The design of 16 inches MacBook Pro will remain the same, but it is rumored that Apple will introduce this new 14 and 16 inches MacBook Pro model without touch bar. The biggest difference we will see in this new Mac model with an updated version of the M series chip. Yes, you heard that right. The new version of M series chip is about to announced by Apple, and it will name as the M1X chip. This is the new generation of M1 chip, will have 10 cores of CPU with 8 high power and 2 efficiency cores. Along with that, it will have 16 or 32 cores of GPU. And this can be perfect for vloggers, music creators, and people from the filming industry. It is also rumored that M1X will double up the unified memory, and we can configure it up to 32 gigs of memory. Along with this big upgrade in CPU, GPU, and memory, Apple will also offer more storage options just like Intel-based Mac. And we may have an option to upgrade storage up to 8 terabytes. It is also rumored that the new generation of 16 and 14 inches MacBook Pro will have a mini LED display that support HDR. Also, we may see 3 new ports: HDMI, SD card reader, and MagSafe charging port. It is rumored that Apple will add an Ethernet connectivity port in the power brick just like the iMac with an M1 chip. But I'm not expecting this. However, along with the new lineup of MacBook Pro, we may see Mac Mini too. According to John Prosser, we may see a new version of Mac Mini with the M1X, the same chip in the new 14 and 16 inches of MacBook Pro. It will have the same 10 core of CPU and 16 core of GPU and 4 Thunderbolt port, 2 USB port, HDMI port, and the Ethernet port. So, what's next? Is there any other product we shall expect from this Apple Unleashed event? I guess yes. We hope to see the new generation of AirPods at the recent Apple event, but unfortunately, Apple didn't make it. Now, this is the time when Apple will unleash the new generation of AirPods, and that is AirPods 3. So be ready with the new Apple product lineup. And with that, just hit the subscribe button, and I will keep you posted on the latest rumors and leaks about Apple. Also, download our iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.